Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the exciting world of making money online. We're going to learn about artificial intelligence or AI and see how it can help us build websites. And guess what? We can use these websites to earn money through affiliate marketing. It's like having your own online store without actually selling anything. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips on making money online. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember when you asked Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song? That's AI in action. These voice assistants use AI to understand what you're saying and respond accordingly. Pretty cool, right? Now imagine that same power helping you build your own website. AI is changing the world in amazing ways, and building websites is just the tip of the iceberg. But for now, let's focus on how this incredible technology can help us make money online. Bookmark and Jimdo Dolphin offer similar features, using AI to streamline the website building process and make it accessible to everyone. These AI website builders are your new best friends when it comes to creating a website quickly and easily. They take care of the technical stuff so you can focus on what really matters: creating great content and earning money. Step 1. Sign up for an account. Head over to the Wix ADI website and create a free account. The sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply enter your email address, create a password, and fill in a few basic details about yourself. Once you've completed these steps, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account, and you're all set. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your website building journey. It only takes a minute, and you'll be on your way to building your dream website. With your account verified, you can now access the Wix ADI dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to navigate. You'll find various tools and options that will assist you in creating a professional-looking website. AI software developer. Step 2. Answer a few questions. Wix ADI will ask you about your website's purpose, target audience, and desired features. These questions are designed to help the AI understand your vision and requirements. For example, if you're creating a blog, the AI will suggest features like a comment section and social media integration. If you're building an online store, it will recommend e-commerce tools like a shopping cart and payment gateways. Be honest and specific with your answers to help the AI create the perfect website for you. The more detailed you are, the better the AI can tailor the website to meet your needs. This step is essential because it ensures that the final product aligns with your goals and expectations. Don't rush through this part. Take your time to provide thoughtful and accurate responses. Step 3. Choose a template. Wix ADI will generate a few different website templates based on your answers. These templates are professionally designed and optimized for various types of websites. You'll see options that range from minimalist designs to more elaborate layouts, each catering to different tastes and requirements. Browse through them and pick the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Take your time to explore each template's features and design elements. Consider how each template aligns with your brand's identity and the message you want to convey. Remember, the template you choose will serve as the backbone of your website, so make sure it resonates with your vision. AI software developer. Step 4. Customize your website. Once you've chosen a template, you can customize it to your liking. Wix ADI offers a range of customization options, allowing you to tweak every aspect of your website. You can change the color scheme, adjust the layout, and add various elements to make the site truly yours. Add your own text, images, videos, and other elements to make your website unique and engaging. Personalization is key to making your website stand out. Use high-quality images and compelling text to capture your audience's attention. You can also embed videos to make your content more dynamic and interactive. The goal is to create a website that not only looks good, but also provides a great user experience. Step 5. Publish your website. Once you're happy with your website, hit the Publish button and share it with the world. Before you publish, make sure to preview your site to catch any last-minute changes or errors. Once you're confident everything is perfect, go ahead and make your website live. This is the moment you've been working towards, so take a moment to appreciate your hard work. Congratulations, you're officially a website owner. Celebrate this achievement and start promoting your website to reach your target audience. Share it on social media, send it to your email list, and use other marketing strategies to drive traffic to your site. The journey doesn't end here. Continue to update and improve your website to keep it relevant and engaging.
Section 5. Choosing a niche. What will your website be about? Now that you have a website, it's time to decide what it will be about. This is called choosing a niche. Think about your interests, hobbies, or passions. What do you enjoy talking about or sharing with others?
Do you love video games? Create a website where you review the latest games and share gaming tips. Are you passionate about cooking? Start a food blog and share your favorite recipes with the world. The possibilities are endless.
Choosing the right niche is crucial for your website's success. It should be something you're genuinely interested in and knowledgeable about. This will make creating content much easier and more enjoyable in the long run. Section 6. Affiliate marketing. Earning money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income, and it's easier than you might think. Now, let's talk about how to make money from your website with affiliate marketing. This method allows you to monetize your online presence by promoting products or services that align with your content. Imagine getting paid to recommend products or services you love. You can share your genuine experiences and opinions, making it a win-win for both you and your audience. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a simple yet effective way to earn money by leveraging your influence and reach.
Here's how it works. You join an affiliate program, choose products or services to promote, and share your unique affiliate links on your website. These links track the traffic and sales generated from your referrals. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The commission rates can vary, but they often range from 5% to 50% of the sale price, depending on the affiliate program.
The best part about affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links and created valuable content, the income can keep coming in with minimal effort. This means you can earn money even while you sleep. Your website works for you around the clock, attracting visitors and generating sales. All you need to do is create valuable content that attracts visitors and encourages them to click on your affiliate links. This could be in the form of blog posts, reviews, tutorials, or even videos. The key is to provide genuine value to your audience, which in turn builds trust and increases the likelihood of them making a purchase through your links. Additionally, it's important to analyze your affiliate marketing performance regularly. Track which links are getting the most clicks and which products are generating the most sales. This data can help you optimize your strategy and focus on promoting the most profitable products. Diversifying your affiliate marketing efforts can also be beneficial. By promoting a variety of products and services, you can reach a broader audience and increase your potential earnings. Remember, the more value you provide, the more successful your affiliate marketing efforts will be.
Section 7. Finding the right affiliate programs. In this section, we'll delve into the crucial aspects of selecting the most suitable affiliate programs for your specific needs. There are countless affiliate programs out there, so it's essential to choose ones that align with your niche and target audience. This alignment ensures that the products or services you promote resonate well with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions and commissions. Look for programs that offer products or services that your visitors would genuinely be interested in. This means understanding your audience's preferences, needs, and pain points, and selecting affiliate programs that provide solutions or enhancements to their lives.
Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms are well established and trusted, providing a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing efforts. These networks connect you with a wide range of merchants and offer a variety of products and services to promote. This diversity allows you to find the perfect match for your content and audience, enhancing the relevance and effectiveness of your promotions.
When choosing an affiliate program, consider the commission rate, cookie duration, and payment terms. These factors can significantly impact your earnings and the overall success of your affiliate marketing strategy. The commission rate is the percentage of the sale that you earn. Higher commission rates can lead to greater earnings, but it's also important to consider the product's price and the likelihood of sales. Cookie duration refers to the amount of time a referral is tracked after someone clicks on your link. Longer cookie durations increase the chances of earning a commission as they allow more time for the visitor to make a purchase. Payment terms vary depending on the program. Some programs pay monthly, while others may have different schedules. Understanding these terms helps you manage your cash flow and set realistic financial expectations. Additionally, it's beneficial to research and evaluate the support and resources provided by the affiliate program. Some programs offer marketing materials, training, and dedicated support to help you succeed. Reading reviews and seeking feedback from other affiliates can also provide valuable insights into the program's reliability and effectiveness. This can help you make an informed decision and avoid potential pitfalls. Ultimately, finding the right affiliate programs is about building strong, long-term partnerships that benefit both you and the merchants. By carefully selecting programs that align with your niche and audience, you can create a sustainable and profitable affiliate marketing strategy.
Section 8. Promoting products. Get the word out. Once you've joined an affiliate program and chosen some products to promote, it's time to get the word out. There are several ways to promote affiliate products on your website, including:
Write product reviews. Share your honest thoughts and opinions about products you've tried, highlighting their features, benefits, and drawbacks.
Create comparison posts. Compare different products in your niche, helping your readers make informed purchasing decisions.
Add affiliate links to your existing content. Incorporate affiliate links naturally within your blog.